So a quick video of a house that we placed on a lot. This was vacant just a few short weeks ago. House moved in, landscaped. Gravel for parking. Nice walkway. 16-inch squares of tile. Some sod for grass. And here's the new Marlet. So we come in the front door. Large master bedroom. Walk-in closet. Master bath, nice soaking tub. Walk-in shower. Nice living room and Marlet's latest floor plan. The way people actually live. Very, very open. And this is where it all happens in all family gatherings. Right in the kitchen. Flows into the dining area. Built-in entertainment. And 2 bedrooms and bath off the family room. Slider out onto the deck. And utility room. Coming right out onto the back porch and stairs. And shed was built by the contractor, as well as a carport. Covered parking for 2 cars. Beautiful home next door. And nice patio. And that's turning the vacant lot into a brand new saleable home in a park.